What's up, everybody? It's your girl ArneishaNicole, and I'm back with another video. So today, I will be bringing the Freetress Equal wig in the style Valentino to you all in the color PB27, and PB stands for peekaboo, so it's a bit of a peekaboo color. This wig comes with a flattened laid hand tied lace part. It's 5 inches. It has combs in the front, combs in the nape, and adjustable straps, and it's curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. I picked this beauty up from Ebonyline.com for $23.95. Okay, y'all, so I'm really hype about this wig. So this is a older unit. I don't know how much older it is because I was looking for wigs one time and I saw this, came across this one, and when I went to go on like Ebonyline or Sam's Beauty, I could not find it. But all of a sudden this wig has popped up again and everybody has been getting it, and I was like, oh, okay. So I was able to find it, and I didn't get it in the color that I wanted. I wanted to get it in this FF Hot Cocoa color, but I really do like this color with the highlights. I used to, when I first started wearing wigs, I would always get the 27 or 30 highlights. So this looks really good. It was very easy to put on. At first, I thought she wasn't going to be big head friendly because when I was pulling her up here, honey, I didn't know if we were going to make it or not. But it is big head friendly. I didn't get any shedding. I went through it with my wide tooth comb and I didn't get any shedding. And that's just because I don't know. I just wanted to see how the curls, how they felt when you combed them or whatever. But you really don't have to do much to this wig. You can put it on and go. I love the parting. Parting is nice. If you want to pluck it, you can do that, but I'm not for all that. It is a light out for like a month or two, the prices start to come down, because these wig companies are just pushing these wigs out. And I say it all the time, it's so hard to keep up because there's so many different wigs that's coming out all the time. But I don't think I left anything out. I really like this wig. I would recommend it. If you guys want me to do like a week update or a 2-week update, please let me know down below in the comments, and I will do that for you all. I've asked before, but nobody really says anything, but let me know if you're curious, and I'll do that, because I have a feeling that I'm going to wear this wig because I like it. Oh, I didn't show y'all the side. So this is the front, this is it to the side, and this is it all to the back. So this is not a long unit, it's bra strap length, so I would say this is like a 16, 14, 16, yeah, something like that. Yeah, and if you're wondering about my shirt that I have on, Agriculture is Life, it's my business. It's a business to highlight women of color in the agriculture industry. It's a t-shirt business right now, and then in the future I'll move into other things. So if you want to support, make sure you click on the links down below in the description box. And we're coming out with our fall collection on November 25th, and this is one of the items that will be coming out the week of November 25th. So stay tuned, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and have a great day. Mwah.